short. Get that way. It's short. I shot it, that's out. I shot it again.
25% off top clothing until Thursday the 27th of June. Shop to in-store at Sainsbury's and limit2.co.uk. 2 works every time. Subject to availability, exclusions apply.
It's time to take a look. Valley Casino also has a range of tools.
Not realising I'm going. He's got his hazard on. The fucking hell are you doing? So he blocks the road off.
Yeah.
God, Dad. You fucking knob.
Wait. Idiot.
You f***ing bellend!
Good sir, you super chatted that way before the show even started. We even brought it up, so good for you. Credit to Tyler Farm.
What the?
I wanted to be first, and crying emojis. Well, you know, you try your best.
Yeah, win them all.
Come back tomorrow. You can have.
Stop! Get that. I'll have that on my dash cam, mate.
Have you?
I will have, yeah. Do you want me to just see what he says? I'll stop somewhere.
Alright, appreciate it, mate. Thank you.
No plate. And he went through a red light.
Nope.
We're not on them tickets.
They're after him.
Yeah, they're after him.
Whoa, you hit that? You hit that? You hit that car. You hit that car. I've got it on camera.
Sorry.
You hit that car.
Caught out these junctions sometimes, don't you? We'll turn it left and hogging. Oh dear. Ran that red light right. You weren't looking who was behind you, were you, lad?
His half-brother's mother, all of her siblings, and many powerful members of the court and their respective families. Also, tragically...
But then his next target is the external threat, which would be Portugal. So, I would guess...
Oh! I felt that.
John, you did that so straight. Go on, anyway.
My envelopes
It's not much better what he's about to say. I have to
Roundabout's 5'5" though, so it's fine.
Man, perhaps the most sadistic man I'd ever met. He was an egotistical tyrant and a penny pincher. Worst of all, he treated his son Sidney, who played
What the chuff?
What the?
What the devil? Oh my god! Bloody hell, is it for real? Jesus, Alan, that is ridiculous. Pull out in front of somebody, you bug arsehole! You arsehole!
You gonna let me in, dickhead?
Estimated time in traffic.